Hi, I'm Rihanna Tyrell and I'm here at Colton RV and Marine, and I'm here to talk about the 2022 Grech Terreno Tour. So first we'll go around the outside. So a few features out here. We have a power step. You'll notice there's a little light under there, so it's going to be really nice at the campsite at night. You'll be able to see where you're going. This is a Mercedes chassis Sprinter. So it comes with a lot of great features with the Mercedes chassis. You do have outside cameras on the side mirrors and on the back. We do have an armless powered awning up here. One big thing Grech prides themselves on is the sleek look of this. So outside you have a nice fiberglass paneling. So when this is going down the road, it doesn't really look like an RV. This Grech does have a towing package to be able to carry cargo. You keep that sleek look by having a cover on it. You have a convenience station here, so all of your hookups are right here for water connection. You do have retractable hoses here, and everything as far as your water dumping and tanks is powered. So now we'll take a step inside and talk about what we have in here. All right, so the inside of the Grech is very luxurious compared to most Class B models. So what Grech does differently, they use real birchwood with a European veneer for their cabinetry. So it's really nice, solid wood. Each cabinet is lined so you don't have things moving around. And kind of like a Marine style, they do lock in place with these little buttons so you don't have cabinets opening while you're driving. Your countertops are a solid surface granite countertop, so those are going to hold up, not scratch over time. Grech gives you two power options, so you can have an ion package with lithium battery powers, or you can have your traditional propane power system. So this unit, so it does have propane burners. This has a propane tank on it. So there's a convection microwave here, sink, and a fridge here as well. So it's an electric refrigerator. The bathroom in this is a wet bath. It is a fiberglass water resistant bathroom. So that fiberglass wall is going to be water resistant and not mold and delaminate over time. And then the furniture in here is an ultra plush memory foam leather material. So super duper comfortable because this is your sleeping area. It converts into a king size bed back here. But just the push of a button, it'll all turn into one bed. One big thing on the Grech is their water heating system. So it's kind of unique to Grech. They use the Timberline system, which runs off of the diesel gas tank. So you will not have to worry about having electricity to have hot water. It can run off of electricity as well, but it does run off the diesel. Okay, so another cool feature, pretty unique to the Grech, is the powered screen in the back, as well as the powered shades for your windows. So as you can see, there's a screen back here that's gonna go up and down, and all I'm doing is pushing a button on a touch screen through our Firefly system to open and close that. And so there is a button here that's the shade master, so all of the windows are controlled by that. So you do have a solar shade there, and then solar shades on every window. So if you want to sleep in, you could sleep in. You do have a pantry here, so good storage, as well as a lagoon table. So that's like a floating table that you can use in a few different places throughout the coach. There's also an extendable countertop here. And both of the captain's chairs swivel and turn around. So if you're out on the road, you can stop, park, turn around, and have lunch. There's a countertop here, and there's another one here. So you can eat comfortably and then get back on the road. So that's our tour on the Grech Terreno. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us at Colton RV and Marine at 716-694-0188.